Traders, investors, peeps, swingers. We're swinging. We're doing stuff. We were absolutely crushing it in the Discord this week. We had some crazy winners. We played CBAT last week. We got in around 5 and we ran this up to 12. And we talked about playing that again on Monday, and we did. And that was a beautiful run. Some of the other winners from earlier in the week, Netty, beautiful run. We were talking about them on Friday and Monday and some in the middle of the week as well. And they've ran up about 80% since then. Fubo is another winner. This thing's been running up nicely. Not a crazy mover, but, slow and steady. D&K was another massive play. We talked about it Tuesday. I didn't play it Tuesday. We had some people that did. I played this here, and then I also got back in on Friday right over here at about 350. You got a 350 fill. So love them. I think they can continue into next week. They got a long ways to go from their December highs. So I'm still on that. I'm swinging that into next week. It's another beautiful breakout. We called it out in the pre-market movers Monday. Can't remember if we played this, but we sure as shit played this. This was beautiful. Sold and got back in. Didn't sell here. Actually just kind of added a little bit more over here and held through the weekend. So we will see what happens. Love them. Same kind of deal. A long ways away from their December highs. So, yep. Like these guys. Still in them. Swinging them. Let me know in the down there, people in the Discord. I'm sure I missed some of the good winners, but these are some of my favorites that I played. FSL was another good call, nice cheapo. We talked about it earlier in the week, and it's been running up nice and steady since then. So, case in point, are you in the Discord? Get in the Discord, man. It's free. If you don't have it, download it. It's easy. I don't even know how to use it, and I set up a server, so jump in. Now, enough of the stuff. Let's get into the things. I know why you're here. Let's talk about Hyliion, baby. So I wasn't much help this week. Haven't really been paying attention to this guy. Just been letting him run. Been busy with the other stuff and things, getting plays for the peeps. But I know most of my following is in this, so we got to talk about the stuff. Now, let's do a little recap. So after we finally broke this level here, we were able to run up a little bit. And you see all these giant candles. Just, shorts fighting this thing all day long, every day. And so, we're being manipulated, man. They just have us locked in this range here. They make sure that these different levels validate themselves, and traders and players are looking at these levels for, signs of wicking and resistance and rejection. And the shorts make sure that happens. And once it hits these levels, look at that. Rejected. Rejected. So they're working really hard to keep this thing down. And man, people in the chat were going wild this week. Monday we broke out and it looked like we were just going to keep running. Tuesday kept running up. Wednesday we were trying to go again. And then we just got hit hard. You see, they were able to bring us back down. But if you look over here, look how big some of these candles are, right? Candles all pretty small back in this range over here. But finally, when we started to break out, look at the volume difference. So there's a lot of money flying into this thing. And look at the shorts just trying to push this thing down all along. And when they finally get the down momentum they're looking for, they just go in, man. Like the second half of this day, just down. So what's interesting is this. Oh my lord. Guys, we're used to seeing mid to high 20s, low 30s. Dude, we haven't seen 37 before. That was on the 17th. What was that? So the day that we're breaking out, shorts freak, working extra hard. The next day they didn't have to work as hard. Not exactly sure why. So maybe this is one of the days where we saw a large buy at open. And so that was, ammo to sell as this thing starts to run up and force it down. That way you're not using short volume. But, I don't really know. Not super important. What is important is this. Oh my lord, dude. 46%. 41. 30 is high. Anything over 30 is extraordinary. That, I can't tell you the last time I saw short volume that high. Especially on something that's trading for, $20 plus. This is like penny stock shorting. So I'll tell you what, man, as much as it sucks, you got a good company. Because smart money wants this thing down so bad so they can load up on shares. It's very apparent. We see it time and time again. We are being toyed with. So, yes, not tight. No real new news out of the peeps. Saw the live stream the other day that they had. Barclays, very similar spiel to what we've got in the past. Nothing really new there. Oh, and shout out to the guy. Man, this guy was in the stream the other day. It was really cool. If you haven't followed him, go to his YouTube. I think he just got a Twitter. Go check him out on Twitter. He's funny. He's got good content. He's a trucker guy. So check him out. Haven't finished my DD for the coming week. I have some plays I'm looking at. I'll be sure to update y'all on the Discord. But what I'm looking at right now for next week is WTRH. I really like these guys on a swing. They've been on a nice steady uptrend. And if you look at their 1 year chart, I mean, I wish it was green, but look at all that up pressure. It's trying to become a shooting star. Close enough, I'll take it. So this thing is in breakout mode. I think we got a runner here. And the other players I'm looking at is this guy right here, GMHI. Be careful. This needs to come down. It's ran up a lot, but it's in breakout mode. Some serious breakout mode, so I like this guy. GEIK. I forget what this is a play on. You'll have to look into it yourself. But again, breakout mode. I like these guys. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys banked this week. We did, and we had a lot of fun doing it. Catch you later, traders.